Welcome to BBD Educational Group. BBD Educational Group is home to various colleges and institutions, all committed to academic excellence and the holistic development of students. In this video, we will guide you through the process of fee payment, both in offline and online modes. Let us first understand the offline fee payment process. Students are advised to submit their fees at the accounts office located in the academic block. In online mode, Step 1. Visit the official website bbdu.ac.in. Step 2. Click on Academic Fee Payment. Step 3. Fill in details and verify. Step 4. Proceed with payment and enter the amount as per your course. Once your online payment is successful, take a printout of the payment confirmation and visit the accounts department to collect your official fee receipt. In offline mode, students with PNB bank accounts can also pay fees via the Challan system. Just generate the Challan online and visit any PNB bank to deposit cash or check. The same facility of RTGS and NEFT is also available for students having bank accounts other than PNB. The downloaded receipts of all modes must be submitted to the BBD accounts section on time to obtain the official BBD fee receipt. This completes the academic fee payment process at Babu Banarasi Das Educational Group. Thank you for watching.